Artatawe, 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 Artatawe. Hello again, user. My name is Keone, and I'm again your guide showing you the Artatawe. In this second part, I will show you how to add a new sculpture, a new painting, view photos, and also view bits. So, without further ado, anyway, let's have a look. So I've logged in and here I am on the main screen. Why does I keep popping up? Okay, so if I wanted to add a new painting, let's say, all I have to do here is click new painting and then this dialog comes up. So let's say I wanted to add, for example, think of the 4 stages of the M's, and it's a painting that describes Grandmaster Jens in 4 logic based poses. Artist name, here we go, Hugh Willman. Year created 2017, approximate height, was it 60 by 80. Reserve amount, I mean, I can see this going for nothing less than 50. And allow, let's just say, let's make it easy, let's say 4 bits maximum. And if I click post auction, there we go, and you can see that there. Now, if I wanted to add, what's the other one? A sculpture, then all I need to do is click new sculpture, and there we go. So I can just type in Ready Steady Ainsley. Description, it's a depiction of Ready Steady Cook host Ainsley Harriet in cake form, and then just selling because I already have an Ainsley Harriet cake. There we go. And we can have the artist name is Heather Sweet. You created 2010 or so probably. And let's have the dimensions. 15 by 13 by 10. And these are all centimeters. And the main material, oh gosh, flower. Should I capitalize that? Oh. Yeah. Reserve amount, let's just go again for 50. And this time they can have 5 bits. Was it 4 bits last time? Yeah, 5 bits. I can click post auction. There. Now, if I wanted to view the photos, all I'd have to do is click photos, but there's no photos. So I'm going to have to add the image path for the photos, which I will do in just a second. I'll have to pause the video because I haven't got the I haven't got the photo up. So please bear with me. This will be seamless. This will be seamless. Right, now if I wanted to add or view photos, simply add here. So this is for a painting. Just click on photos. And then I'll add in the path, which has to start with backslash artwork images, another backslash, and then the name of the file, which has to be in PNG format. And then I just click add there, and there we go. Close that, and yeah, it pops up. Wonderful stuff. And if I wanted to add some photos for the sculpture, for a sculpture, and just click on the sculpture here, photos, and then just add in the path name, which would start with artwork images, backslash, and then the name of each file. And there we go. Then I can do the same for the second image. Let's say 2.png, and there we go. So I click close there, and if we come back to there, you can see both of the photos there. Wonderful stuff. Now if I wanted to view the bids on the item, I just click there, but as we can see, no one has bid on it yet, which is a shame, because I thought someone would. But anyway, wonderful stuff. Just an addendum here. I can show you that for the photos on the painting, you can only add one. So if I put this in here and added in another one, so let's add in example that. What it will do is it will replace it, and you can't click previous or next because you can only store one photo for a painting. So I'll just add in fun again, and then it's back to how we want it. That's it for this tutorial. Until the next time, goodbye. Artatawe, Artatawe, Artatawe.